Hi everyone, in this video we will look at how to find the volume of cubes and cuboids. The word volume means how much space there is inside a 3D shape. And the way to find the volume of a cube or cuboid is with the following formula. You do the length times the width times the height. We'll look at this shape here to practice our first one. Now, the length, the width and the height of this shape are not written on, but we can use the cubes to count. So we'll imagine these are centimeter cubes, and the length here is 1, 2, 3 centimeters. So we can record the length of 3 centimeters. Our width is 1, 2 centimeters, and our height is 1, 2, so 2 centimeters. Now that we know the three measurements, we can remind ourselves of the formula, and the formula is length times width times height. So we simply multiply these three numbers together. You can multiply them in any order you like, and you'll get the same answer. We'll start by doing 3 times 2, which is 6, and we then multiply our answer of 6 by 2. This gives us a volume of 12 centimeters cubed. And for volume, you will always add the cubed symbol at the end. Let's try one more together. This time, there are no squares on our 3D shape, but we have been given the three measurements. So remember, to find the volume, we simply times together the length, the width, and the height. We can multiply in any order we like. I'm going to begin by multiplying 5 centimeters and 2 centimeters. The reason I'm doing this is I know it gives me an answer of 10, which is a nice, easy number to work with. We can then multiply 10 by our final measurement, 8, and 10 times 8 is 80. This gives us a volume of 80 centimeters cubed. Here's another one that I'd like you to have a go at. So pause the video now and multiply those three measurements together. Okay, let's see how you did. Now you may have done this in a different order, but as long as you've multiplied accurately, you'll have the right answer. I'm going to start this time by doing 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. We can then multiply this answer by our final measurement of 10 centimeters. 24 times 10 equals 240. This gives us a volume of 240 centimeters cubed. Finally, I want to show you how you can find the volume of a cube. You'll notice here we've only been given one measurement. And you may come across a question like this yourself. The reason you've only been given one measurement is that a cube is a 3D version of a square, and a cube will have the same width, the same length, and the same height. So if we know one of the measurements is 4 centimeters, we'll also know that the width must be 4 centimeters, and we also know that the height must be 4 centimeters. You can then multiply all three together. 4 times 4 is 16. We then multiply this answer by 4. At this point, you may want to use your column multiplication. 4 times 6 is 24. The 4 goes there. We carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Add the 2 equals 64. That gives this cube a volume of 64 centimeters cubed. And that is how you find the volume of cubes and cuboids.